The new connected ball joint kits have a unique feature. The adapters stay in place, locked into the extra-large C-frame enforcing screw. A tech can attack a ball joint from any direction without needing an extra hand or another technician to help align cups and adapters. And once the job is done, no more chasing them around the shop floor. The specially designed forcing screw insert and C-frame feature 2 spring-loaded ball detent pins to securely lock adapters in place and are fully adjustable. When the ball joint is pressed out, it drops into the connected cup instead of bouncing around the floor. During install, the ball joint is held inside the cup, allowing a tech to use one hand to hold the C-frame. This helps ensure a properly aligned and installed ball joint, preventing adjustments and comebacks. For the connected kits, we include the most commonly used cups and adapters, covering up to 600 vehicle models with the CA6630 Professional Kit. The extra-large C-frame is also big enough to do U-joints and wheel studs, for more uses with one tool. We also designed the new press to be backwards compatible with all our existing ball joint kits, expanding the application of your existing ball joint kits. In the traditional C-frame design, the 7249 Starter Kit includes adapters for the most common vehicles. Or you can pick up the 6559 Master Service Kit. With more than 70 adapters, the Master Kit will have everything you need for most vehicles, ensuring you can get the job done faster. All kits are covered by a limited lifetime warranty, with cups and adapters designed to stand up to daily abuse, providing years of reliable service. So you can work smarter, not harder, to beat the flat rate.